Here is a close look at the Downy Wrinkle Releaser Plus, and as you can see, this is the 33.8 fluid ounce size. And if you're curious, here is more about it. So to use it, all you have to do is spray it onto dry clothing. Make sure that it isn't wet or damp or anything, and then you'll give it some nice tugging and smoothing, hang it, and you will be good to go. So I've got this shirt here. It's not super wrinkly, but it's a little wrinkly. So I'll go ahead and just give it a quick spray like so. And then all I would have to do is just kind of tug it and smooth it to get it to lay just the way I want to, and then I would just go ahead and hang it up. Super simple to use. My only complaint is the scent. So it's this light fresh scent as it says, but to me it smells just a little bit weird. It's a little wonky, not my favorite in the world, but thankfully it does fade after a while, so it's not too much of a concern. So overall, this is definitely a wrinkle releaser that I would recommend, and it certainly does the trick.